Hi, this is news. Bima Obibia Akwaba. Had the latest and hot news in Kwanamide. Bremo. Anunti Swinyan subscribe ya. Bomodia say over subscribe to the channel. Dobean say over click the subscribe button. Now what belly notification. We answer new video be uploaded. Also answer ever can be. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fee. Share my offer for us to be here and say the latest and hot news. Kwanamide Bremo. Afriyie share Asamoah Abeto Yepunso. Yeti report here about Yeti Sammy Yeti.
Now, Owolemonko, Asamoah Gyan actual story tintin bi aba bontene. Na Asamoah Gyan story ni nyina say, or say, I have not been fair to the youth and the people of Ghana. Henceforth, I am not affiliated with any political party. Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan about statement the ato abontene say ende onye NPP ni biem. Nkofo busa say, "Hey, na de na esi, de na ekoso. Asamoah Gyan aden NPP for amoya kronfo sa na matama Asamoah Gyan egure ni ma say. Na Asamoah Gyan oye NPP for den. Enti nipa bebre ti Ghana omo busa say na NPP we no omo jimi ana e den na Asamoah Gyan e join ni omo from dada e den na ma Asamoah Gyan. I'm trying to find something first. E den na ma Asamoah Gyan and they sorry ya Asamoah Gyan say ono onye NPP ni biem. The question you should be asking yourself and say, a DNA man Asamoah Gyan decided to obey release this statement, sir. BBS yana. Adentina Asamoah Gyan enye bold. Emba bontin be kanche Ghana for say, this is the reason why I'm say menye NPP ni biem. Me try me pe bibi di achiro. Inti yebusa question ne say. Yebusa question say, adentina suddenly Asamoah Gyan be say we deceive the youth of Ghana.
You are watching Juicy
Such statement away from Asamoah Gyan is a serious statement. He has not been fair, meaning he lied to the young people of Ghana. Mebetina kacham say Asamoah Gyan so Okoto bi. Suddenly Asamoah Gyan so ne Bawumia nenam. Asamoah Gyan was doing politics with the youth of Ghana. Mekacham say Asamoah Gyan does not care about any young person in Ghana. Asamoah Gyan has always been a selfish individual. He has always cared about himself. Say or the Ghana youth ebekwa kosia wa wanu wenye sika, that is what he would do. As we speak tonight, this statement from Asamoah Gyan should make every young person see Asamoah Gyan as a day, Asamoah Gyan as a hypocrite. So Asamoah Gyan Bejina TV so ka asem chow the young person say, oh, Tuma Bawumia, NPP a party or say Otu Junso Gunu ho. Because on one day the Numa Kachira will say, the NPP as a political party, he joined them to campaign to lie to you. And the Wababe Kachira will say he has not been fair to you. It means Asamoah Gyan has done you damage. Asamoah Gyan is the enemy of the youth. And I expect the young people of Ghana to think. They be a catchiremo. These boys don't care about you people. They care only about themselves. Now, my mentor the Kudientia, Asamoah Gyan say we jai NPP. Okay? My mentor, Asamoah Gyan, the singing say, Omo di Asamoah Gyan to. Yakaso mo di Asamoah Gyan to, it's in quote. There's this young man, this gentleman called Franklin. Papa we. Your friend Franklin. Right? Now, Sir Franklin we na konta any Samia Uku. I'm trying to get everything right for you. Me pesa me de Franklin no ne social media handle show beya you will pull it out. Okay. Now, this guy called Franklin, Owari Samia Ukunya Ba. Now, Sir Franklin way, on this Samia Uku and a kofa Asamoah Gyan be joining Bawumia Campaign. In fact, it was Samia Uku who brought Asamoah Gyan se Ombra and be joining and be joining Bawumia Campaign. And then he used this guy who is Nakonta. Right? Now, this guy, Oni Samia Uku, Edi Asamoah Gyan ebe joining Bawumia Campaign. NPP forecast say Asamoah Gyan has a lot of record beer. It will solve the campaign of Bawumia. And Samia Uku ka say, oh, we hear Asamoah Gyan. If it's Asamoah Gyan, I started a DBFNO, Edi regional tour on Ghana. can some che youth no inti omo person mu use Asamoah Gyan na ode omo de ne campaign. Right? Now remember, Asamoah Gyan or started sa ne nyoma no omo approach no omo ka cha Asamoah Gyan say omo person omo man no the ministerial job omo person ko be the sports minister. Enti omo ti committee na omo de Asamoah Gyan to ano say onye chairman of the sports committee no because Asamoah Gyan adwene wo fom nti na adwene ye ne say the sports committee Bawumia manifesto committee no technically wabeda ne minister. Enti omo wie manifesto committee sports omo ye omo manifesto wie no omo gu committee no e ho na Asamoah Gyan be hu said abi the people are not even calling me again. At this point, they don't even respect me.
Watching Juicy News
what is
on
going
YouTube.
on?
Hot news all time.
Into this guy, your friend Franklin. Or no, and the lady, Asamoah Gyan. Now, Asamoah Gyan ever joining Bawumia Campaign. No? They made him understand, say, they wanted him to lie to the young people of Ghana. On first an original tour now, or you know, on converting into a campaign Emma Bawumia and it's na who say Asamoah Gyan na one Bawumia mo enam na Samia wuku and orchestrate we nyina. Now because Asamoah Gyan is not that smart, something happened. Omo ka cha Asamoah Gyan say sa ne regional tour ade na ode aba no say the tour no the same time a one Bawumia nam a amanfo be hu say sika bi ba no ho people will say Bawumia any aban musika no matamama because na one omatena say for money. And there was an amount they were going to pay Asamoah Gyan. That is $5 million. Asamoah Gyan onti $5 million. And Asamoah Gyan can say, okay, now what he wants to do then they say, Sir Franklin guy will catch Asamoah Gyan and say, oh, person will change the registration of Asamoah Gyan regional tour na man nipa na company ni be ne dia no ebe anonymous send be ya obiantumi and connect say sika bi ba Asamoah Gyan wa it is not in the name of Asamoah Gyan. What happened was that this guy your friend Franklin Samia wuku akonta no he turned around and what he did was Sir Franklin when the nephew no what for see your friend no Prince Osei Ochre and akwa behind the scenes no omu change Asamoah Gyan the whole event no omu di edino ne wo fa se na efre no Prince Osei Ochre omu di ni din without Asamoah Gyan's knowledge tie and ntina me no ka say Asamoah Gyan ohyedem Owusu. Now after they did the changes of the company, the name, the ownership no this guy he's like an event organizer ne ade oni Samia ukutina no mu say Asamoah Gyan e Jimmy. So what they did was that $5 million, no. When the money came inside, Asamoah Gyan enya access to the money. And a boy we ene Samia ukumu a boost kadim. Until later, and Asamoah Gyan be say ne whole thing no sika no krampo so edia shem personally no over $300,000. Because remember, time about Bawumia Efra Asamoah Gyan so me joining no. Now Asamoah Gyan started yes sa tour original tour no soccer the end no. Now I invested close to $300,000 wom as sika na she. Enti enkofo we buy na Asamoah Gyan wa emre enti no dwen say this is the money a. So ne Bawumia na antena so koye or affiliated with Bawumia Campaign now, they are going to drop the $5 million for him. And a guy with your friend Franklin, Samia wuku den Samia wuku akontane no or ware Samia wuku nuaba. Into one Samia wuku tina sia no mo dwene hu say Asamoah Gyan e Jimmy.
Watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Into what they did was that they registered the whole thing in Eden Ochre na your friend no Prince Osei Ochre akwa we wo fasini di mu. Into technically Asamoah Gyan was rendered stupid. Later Asamoah Gyan be hu say manifesto committee na yeguno. Nobody is calling me. The money too I'm expecting to come in, the money I have put in, Ninina is gone. What is happening? I want Asamoah Gyan who say, Kai, I'm on for the talk. Until there was a meeting that at that point, Samia Ukumu say Asamoah Gyan is angry. Nanko say Andrew Asamoah Gyan a press conference, a catcher Ghana for say, Bawumia NPP for me a crom for. Bawumia and Samia Uku, they've been calling Asamoah Gyan like 200 times. Asamoah Gyan is not picking up. Asamoah Gyan shedemu na Owusu. Oh, the monko or shedem na Owusu. Now, the amount of some crazy didn't say after Brante Womo fast can do ye no. And this guy decided to go and meet Asamoah Gyan to go and lie to Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan ankasa fie. And this is what happened. Baby Jet. Inti akwa we kwa Asamoah Gyan fie no, de ekosi ho na me de be kire mo hwe.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Edi Asamoah Gyan ko horo. Ene paye. Inti akwa ne be hia Asamoah Gyan sa ma story. Obesa hwebi memo asa hwebi. Oh, there's a longer version. Asamoah Gyan hwa ko bi aso mo abontene. Asamoah Gyan ko so mo chini tum. An innocent man, Asamoah Gyan shenasumo room ho. Asamoah Gyan has to be in jail. Me mamu sound because me say me mamu sound be later. Asamoah Gyan needs to do a press conference because the documentations are made ebano. Asamoah Gyan, you cannot get out of this because you have basically lied to millions of young people in Ghana. Me catch you say what you are doing, no stop. But you were greedy. You thought to say, Obie Jimmy. You have done politics for a long time. You wanted to mislead the youth. Into this meeting, Franklin Eba Beshi Asamoah Gyan no. And Asamoah Gyan can say, na mo di misika. Mo sa ba begeka. Into Samia ukude no jina gate nechi. Asamoah Gyan, at the end of the day, no, $5 million, no, he knows. He needs to come out and tell us, say, dear ye can be born as a memoir. Because I have more to show Ghana for. Mensah Shebe, where Asamoah Gyan on a Franklin na no. This is the meeting.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Asamoah Gyan oni abudro. Na the MSS say Asamoah Gyan deceive young people in Ghana. What he did, he needs to have a press conference. And think of the young people in Ghana, they could $5 million a dikwa. Open sound the other sound out the other. What is sound the other? What is sound the other? Mema sound in abutre na mo predodo. Mema mo sound, mema wa Asamoah Gyan ne Bawumia, mema wa Asamoah Gyan ne de Nsamia wuku. Mema wo sound, I don't know opre wo ho. Open sound, open sound, mema wo sound. Now, I'm giving Asamoah Gyan 48 hours on the press conference. It will help him. Because when you go outside Ghana, Asamoah Gyan has no credibility again. Asamoah Gyan outside Ghana, they see him as a chronic liar who wanted to use. Asamoah Gyan cannot go out there and sell anything to anybody out there, say, or Pese or Yebibima, the youth of Ghana. He is a liar. And it's going to follow him. Because young people in Ghana, Asamoah Gyan wanted to just go sell them for $5 million. Keke. And anytime I catch them conform to TV, nobody did attempt yet Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan there. Asamoah Gyan is greedy. Meno kasa na juwa shade musu. Sa ne 16 regional tours ne gu. Right now he has no option than go and borrow money and do it. Oniska. Mo person na yeden. Me se part 2, part 3 wo ho. And this problem Samia Uku. Sa sika me Samia Uku dimbe 2.5 million. Waje. And in Tina Samia Uku sorry no to media. I was a Ghana media obi antumi ka Samia Uku asem. We tia obi aka. Samia Uku has paid every media house. Samia Uku the best job and say we a media person now you're critical, he will find a way to become your friend. And the first thing he will do is to try and say unya and the way they were him, and that is what he does. Into every journalist in Ghana, 90% of them Samia Uku has given them money. And don't to me Samia Uku because Samia Uku catch also presidential ambition. Me say what to say obi aka Samia Uku wasamda. They don't. They know Samia Uku is committing crime at NLA. They don't. Because, oh no, the strategy in say, or spread this sika our ground, media houses, he will pay you. And you can pontina as some way, media no cry, they are not on it because this goes to the spine of soccer players in Ghana. This is dangerous. As some way misled millions of young people. This is not a joke. This is something the media need to call out Asamoah Gyan and tell him that he should be ashamed of himself and he should not come close to anything called we are organizing soccer. The media needs to be very, very strict on somebody on Mensah Brabreso because Sammy is telling them that they should not speak on it. And this goes to the spine of Bawumia's campaign. The Bawumia's campaign has always been about lies. People, they don't care about Ghanaians. They don't care about anybody. So also be the Bawumia chia na sika na kasa de bemano. It is not about your interest. It is not about you, the young person watching Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan does not care about you. Asamoah Gyan needs his money. So nisika ma the same thing okoye in Brazil no. Okochi shebo SDBG say munye demonstration na make captain the men kasa the same thing he did in Brazil. Time and end this war power. Asamoah Gyan ko share boys libiachi and oye den okwo wo moti because munye demonstration the president then called Asamoah Gyan. Let me talk to you, captain. Or say onye riffraff like you. Asamoah Gyan did not talk to the president because they wanted the NDC to make a mistake. Send a the partner of finance na beba power. And the one with the omudi ayano. Omuwie na omudi koma teni say Sule Muntari abua. Muntari una ye teni yendi di Sule Muntari atem. Sule Muntari di no ye. Player ben wa campa wanjis kanibi. But at the end of the day, it was Sule Muntari. On na ye teni abua ebe to be dinner teme moa. Sa asem si wa camp no. Enya Asamoah Gyan na captain. Tonado muna. Then ye wie ye can say, oh Sule Muntari. Wo Sule Muntari. Wo na udinda so. Player Ben wa campa wanjis kanibi. Kwasi afo we na mudidi omochi.
You're affiliated to any point.
Yes, I want you to help me with the message. There are other opinions. There are two schools of thought. And one more kasa about this statement from Asamoah Gyan.
My brother.
Okay, we are not the questions now.
My brother. Wait.
One is saying, oh, they can we.
My brother.
I am no more affiliated to any political party.
I am no more. I am not affiliated.
With their mankind.
Producers.
Now, we need also be
I haven't been fair to the youth and the people of Ghana. Nanaya. Chirem.
I was in Babu.
I said, Babu. You can't wear you know because you're
I haven't been fair to the youth.
I can't hold to us right.
And the people of Ghana. One can ye. The youth and the people of Ghana.
What's your name? Babu Ghana for Nini.
Good. Yes.
Henceforth.
If in there,
I am not affiliated to any political party. I will continue with my humanitarian work.
Hospital and toilet no hospital.
Doctor. Okay. And help the youth of Ghana in my own small way.
Na mabwa Ghana mebunu wo akwania sebia so me de kakra bia menya no me de beboa.
Nothing political.
Where for politics?
I wish all the political parties a peaceful election.
Was say na Ghana political parties in NDC, NPP, CPP gum hwan obia. Wo mo abato asumdwe mu.
On the 7th of December.
7th December ekoto abayi.
God bless our homeland Ghana.
Ghana.
Question number 1. Thank you. Nana, before this statement, no name says Asamoah Gyan political party party.
NPP.
Fantastic. In the statement, we need to say, Wakweti NPP.
Wakweti.
Chiremu.
Nanya Asamoah Gyan ne call rounds na say about sports.
Yes,
NPP for manifesto. Asamoah Gyan na eche.
Yeah, yes, sports now.
One manifesto was sports. But there's nothing wrong to say you found class a chair or more sports sector.
Nana to what na question and bisanya now judgment to what yes. Good. Me say. Me say. Statement net that's no. Before so we be bad. No, so your political party bang. Everyone ye.
Me say MPP.
Fantastic. And away now which no. There are two schools of thoughts. One say Asamoah Gyan equity NPP.
One throw this out.
Me bisa question me kasa me statement question me bisa.
I say me who nye me ni party see me ni party bia.
He's no more an NPP member.
Oh, we nya question.
Me see me bisa question. There are two schools of thoughts.
But talk to the question.
And the question mark
okay.
One.
They kind.
Wait, say statement we say Asamoah Gyan onye NPP ni bioma na.
Afenu we
be say ba ko dey na video class. 2. Again na bet trigger Asamoah at this statement we be abonten. In your opinion, you first one on the ending come away.
Well, the Edikaya will be so onye NPP ni biom no. In fact, me who ne political card. They met me can say. Brebia president beko eye Parliament, State of the Nation, Asamoah Gyan Kobi, and no function.
Good.
Because we're Ghana.
Yes.
And so my penny be about Ghana, not be a fast sports one.
No,
what the more quotation was sports, no call Kotibi from Sony.
Okay.
But who's on MPP for no a jelly more. And also from Sony.
Oh, yes.
And what ya were hand on the list by one more a manifesto. One more bedi more quotation. And maybe because I want pet, woman yet. Because bia womo kwa ye e kamia say bi no feel say womo ya affiliated to a political party womo nye but Asamoah Gyan di tum say sports de no wo be kwa che no aboa indeed on that sector no sports de na Asamoah Gyan kwa che no utum say very fantastic ideas
NPP manifesto no
yes sports no fantastic ideas
the who ye fantastic and I said the wo ho no
the wo de me us be some adwenche na me che
okay
the obi adwenche wo no
okay
fantastic ideas as a sports person
according to you
oh what's what yeah no
come on me
adwenche na be say enti ideas as Asamoah Gyan ko was sports no so am the year adwuma ka be very fantastic ideas what would them say from that time in fact the buy no kra na man focus say any Asamoah Gyan yi dem MPP ni o wa me carry what we yes so me who say wa radio station ba kwa or that sports aspect in
okay
which looks like spokespersons on sports nidi nim de ba wa kwa watch mu any adade
nti nana we no e chese we giant NPP ana say de
me
like this
me de me hu ne say that statement ne kamia ye say e bi amanfo so pado dodo
nti
ana say ye ne say and Ghana udo hu kodon but that is also a mistake udo hu kodon political party bia na say say wadwuma ana say egu adwuma enti baby a no to no wan hwa omo hu ne say owo ha na owo ha ebetimi enei adwuma wo ye fast sports ho na ebetimi ase no emmoa no
enti nana the question still remains based on the statement from Asamoah Gyan.
He did not write that wakwete or say I am not affiliated.
Enti
I am not doesn't mean I was and I'm not now.
I am not affiliated no as it's and just wakwete NPP ana.
Debbie just wakwete political party.
Just only political party bia.
Debbie just only political party.
I think I'm on the floor me we an kamuso mebe mana. Enti munya sad na moye.
No but also
when
me Sahami enye mrank ma bobi on a more serious note.
The second question now beside
no still on the first one.
Okay, first one.
Nana wo Efidadem before so obeba ha no. Now you are no more affiliated to Efidadem.
No, Semetro, I am no more affiliated, meaning I was there. But if I write, I am not affiliated.
Okay, Nana, you are not affiliated.
I've not been anywhere.
You are no more affiliated to Efidadem as yet say.
Good. But it doesn't also mean
I am no more. I am not.
Nana, you are not affiliated.
But it doesn't also mean say if they need an expert advice and a professional advice from you,
they cannot consult you.
They cannot consult you.
That's why we've cleared it, Dada.
Yes.
No
problem.
And says a political party, but a man for
probably as a professional.
Yes.
As an experienced footballer.
Finally, I'm leaving on the same score now. Me dear say. Who say if that them say say you are not affiliated?
I am no more.
I am solo kind of line, man.
I am not affiliated.
I am not.
You are not affiliated to if that them say.
No, if say me affiliated to na say me hobby me omo
Asamoah Gyan
or say political party one specifying
no
one
problem
party.
with that. No problem with that. Or say
on affiliated to any political party.
Any political party. Also say I'm no me ba.
Na man force to say
na me
or
that is what is
na
going
man
through the minds of our
or
listeners.
MPP ni.
Yes.
And be or clarify say on affiliated to MPP.
Say no on your politician.
On your politician. also on your politician.
Into Wakweti NPP.
One quitting.
Have you known Asamoah Gyan as a politician?
Oh, what?
Wait.
No. Come be one near the Fitch, the more beer man who says Uncle Money and Tay, blasters. Come on near Nim, I what blasters more, concern your tea, been say. Asamoah Gyan NPP, and the day you hear in this knee, and what blasters. And the reason why people were saying this is because of parties, know how they use both of them during national tournaments.
Nana.
And Bibiano,
Asamoah Gyan as a footballer, I know NPP. Otumi win World Cup at Ghana.
Well, NPP.
No, Akufo Addo. The day you and I must know ye NDC. Win the World Cup at
Ghana. But the truth is that
you have a problem with Ghana. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with joining the political party.
There's something wrong with that.
There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong.
Especially in our body politics here in Ghana.
It is because of how politics.
There's something wrong. That is why there's something wrong.
Do you belong to any political party? So?
I've said, my two Obama political parties in me. NPP NDC me
exactly so you know the
me because me shed the nipa na kan ene de all ye na me de atoaba enti eba even parliamentary crown ma two both parties been different places
me crown as at last weekend say
as we speak me support no
but I think say you call Cape Coast now me nam council and me who say political party we na meto abama
what would that?
Me who no because me your campaign and I do now taking decision.
Oh, for waiting and someone about beto ye proso. The cow say a high juicy news. It is so now subscribe ya, but more than say over subscribe to the channel. Now feel what like it now what share video amount of proso in you be now what also bet me a chair working on fire and some way now a work comment boxing. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.